Chitrāl rests high in northern Pakistan. The mighty Hindu Kush mountains surround it. These peaks touch the sky. Chitrāl is a district, vast and rugged. It shares borders with Afghanistan. This location gives it special importance. It has been a crossroads for centuries. People and cultures have met here. This remote region holds a quiet magic. It is far from the rush of big cities. Here, life moves at a different pace. The air is clean and crisp. The sounds are of nature. Wind whispers through pine trees. Rivers rush over smooth stones. Chitrāl's significance is not just its location. It is in its spirit, its people. It is a testament to human endurance. It is a sanctuary for ancient ways. For many, Chitrāl remains a secret. It is a hidden gem waiting to be found. Its name might not be widely known, but those who visit never forget it. They carry its beauty in their hearts. The towering mountains leave a lasting mark. The vibrant culture offers deep lessons. Chitrāl invites us to look closer. The landscapes of Chitrāl are truly dramatic. They fill you with a sense of wonder. Giant mountains dominate the skyline. Tirikh is the highest peak here. It is the highest in the Hindu Kush. Its icy summit seems to float. It watches over the valleys below. These mountains are old and powerful. They shape the land and the lives. They are a constant, silent presence. Their scale makes one feel small. Deep valleys cut through these mountains. The Chitrāl River carves its path. It flows with strength and purpose. Its waters are clear and cold. These valleys are green in summer. Wildflowers bloom in vibrant colors. Apricot and mulberry trees grow here. They offer sweet fruit to the people. In winter, snow blankets everything. The land becomes quiet and still. Each season brings its own beauty. Each view is like a painting. The climate in Chitrāl can be extreme. Summers are pleasant in the lower valleys, but winters are long and harsh. Heavy snowfall often cuts off areas. People must be prepared for this. They have learned to live with nature. They respect its power and its gifts. The high altitude means the air is thin. Chitrāl National Park is a special place. It lies close to Chitrāl town. This park is a haven for wildlife. It was once a royal hunting ground. Now it protects precious animals. The park covers a large area. Its terrain is rugged and steep. It has forests of cedar and pine. Alpine meadows bloom in higher areas. This park is vital for conservation. It is a treasure for Pakistan. Many rare animals live in Chitrāl Gol. The Kashmir markhor is one of them. It is a wild goat with spiral horns. It climbs steep cliffs with ease. Snow leopards also roam these mountains. They are elusive and beautiful creatures. Himalayan ibex and black bears can be found. Many kinds of birds fill the air. The Himalayan monal pheasant is stunning. Its feathers shine with many colors. Seeing these animals is a rare gift. Visiting the park requires effort. There are no paved roads inside. You must walk or use a jeep. Local guides can show you the way. They know the paths and the animals. They understand the park's secrets. Patience is needed to spot wildlife. Animals are shy and well camouflaged, but the search itself is rewarding. Nestled within Chitrāl are the Kailash valleys. These valleys are truly unique. They are Bumbare, Rumbar and Birya. They are home to the Kailash people. The Kailash have a distinct culture. Their traditions are very old. They have lived in these valleys for centuries. Their way of life is different. It is different from their neighbors. This makes the Kailash valleys special. They are a window into an ancient world. The journey to the Kailash valleys is beautiful. Narrow roads wind along rivers. Mountains rise steeply on either side. Wooden houses cling to the slopes. The Kailash people are welcoming. They greet visitors with smiles. Their appearance is striking. Kailash women wear black robes. These robes are beautifully embroidered. They wear colorful beaded necklaces. Their headdresses are elaborate and unique. These garments tell stories of their identity. The Kailash follow their own ancient religion. It is based on nature and spirits. They have many gods and goddesses. They celebrate festivals with joy. Music and dance are part of their life. Their beliefs are deeply connected to the land, to the mountains, rivers and forests. They have preserved these beliefs. Section 5 echoes through time. Chitrāl's rich historical tapestry. Chitrāl's history is long and fascinating. It stretches back many centuries. It has been a kingdom, a princely state. Rulers called Metars once governed here. Their legacy can still be seen. The Shahi Mosque in Chitrāl town is one example. Its tall minarets reach for the sky. The old Chitrāl fort stands by the river. It has seen many battles and events. These buildings whisper tales of the past. They remind us of Chitrāl's royal heritage. This region was strategically important. It lay on ancient trade routes. These routes connected Central Asia with India. Merchants and travelers passed through. They brought goods and ideas. Different cultures met and mixed here. This has made Chitrāl diverse. You can see influences from many places, in the languages, in the crafts, in the faces of the people. This history shaped Chitrāl's identity. It made it a melting pot. Many groups have called Chitrāl home. The Ko people are the largest group. They have their own language, Kawa. Their culture is rich and vibrant. They are known for their hospitality. They are skilled musicians and poets. Polo is a favorite sport here. Matches are played with great passion. Section 6. The Kalash people keepers of an ancient flame. The Kalash people are truly extraordinary. They are a small indigenous group. They live only in 3 valleys of Chitrāl. Their culture is unlike any other in the region. They are said to be descendants of Alexander the Great's soldiers. This is a popular legend. Their features are often fair. Their eyes can be blue or green. Their origins are a subject of study. What is certain is their ancient heritage. Their religion is polytheistic. They believe in many gods and goddesses. These deities are linked to nature, to mountains, forests and springs. They have special places for worship. These are called yestak Hans. They offer sacrifices to their gods. These rituals are very old. They are performed by their shamans. The Kalash do not have written scriptures. Their beliefs are passed orally through songs, stories and ceremonies. Festivals are central to Kalash life. They celebrate several major festivals. Chilam Yoshi is in spring, Uchao is in late summer, Choimus is in winter. These festivals are joyous occasions. There is much singing and dancing. Men and women dance together. Section 7. Journeys of discovery, adventure and trekking in Chitrāl. Chitrāl is a paradise for adventurers, especially for those who love mountains. The trekking opportunities here are endless. There are trails for all levels, from gentle walks in lower valleys to challenging climbs over high passes. Each trek offers stunning views. It offers a chance to connect with nature, to experience the raw beauty of the Hindu Kush. The silence of the mountains is powerful. It clears the mind and lifts the spirit. Popular treks take you to remote areas, to places untouched by modern life. You can walk through pine forests, cross rushing streams on wooden bridges, camp under a sky full of stars. You might see shepherds with their flocks. You might encounter local villagers. They are often curious and friendly. Sharing tea with them is a special moment. These encounters enrich the journey. They offer a glimpse into local life. Besides trekking, there are other activities. Rock climbing is possible on some cliffs. Whitewater rafting can be done on the rivers. Fishing for trout is also popular. Section 8. Beauty and resilience, understanding Chitrāl's challenges. Chitrāl is a land of breathtaking beauty, but it also faces significant challenges. Its remote location makes access difficult. Roads can be rough and unreliable, especially during winter or monsoons. Landslides are a common problem. They can block roads for days. This isolation affects many aspects of life. It affects trade, healthcare, and education. Getting supplies in can be hard. Getting products out can be hard too. The climate itself presents challenges. Winters are long and very cold. Heavy snow isolates many villages. People must stock up on food. They must have enough fuel for heating. Summers can bring floods as glaciers melt rapidly. This can damage homes and farms. Earthquakes are also a risk. The region is seismically active. People live with these natural threats. They have learned to be resourceful. They have learned to be resilient. Poverty is another challenge for many. Livelihood options can be limited. Agriculture is the main source of income. Section 9. Chitrāl's enduring call, a journey for the heart and soul. Chitrāl is much more than a place. It is an experience that touches you deeply. It calls to the adventurous spirit. It speaks to the culturally curious soul. Its stunning natural beauty is undeniable. The towering peaks of the Hindu Kush, the lush green valleys, the clear rushing rivers. These landscapes stay with you long after you have left. They remind you of nature's power, of nature's delicate artistry. The cultural richness of Chitrāl is profound. The ancient traditions of the Kalash people, the vibrant heritage of the Ko community, the echoes of a long and varied history. These offer a glimpse into different worlds, into different ways of seeing and living. Meeting the people of Chitrāl is inspiring. Their warmth, their resilience, their hospitality, these qualities leave a lasting impression. They teach us valuable lessons about life. Yes, there are challenges in Chitrāl. The journey can be demanding, the conditions can be tough.